Welcome to this step-by-step guide on how to enable and view the WordPress revision history. If you've ever wished you could go back and restore an earlier version of your post or page, this feature is exactly what you need. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through how to access and use WordPress revisions to manage your site more efficiently. Let's get started. Begin by opening your preferred web browser and visiting your WordPress website. Once the page loads, look to the top right corner for the login option. Click on it to start the secure login process. You'll now see a few options for signing in. Choose the method that works best for you. If your WordPress account is linked to a major search engine account, simply select that option and continue. This method not only simplifies the login process, but also enhances security by using your existing credentials. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll be taken to the WordPress dashboard. This is your main control center where you can manage everything on your site, from content to design. Now that you're inside, look for the plus icon at the top left corner. Here, you'll see multiple options. Click whatever you want to do. Click that. Clicking this option will open the site editor, the place where all customization and content adjustments happen. Inside the site editor, look toward the top right corner of the screen. You'll see a settings icon. Go ahead and click on it. This will open up a new menu that allows you to modify different aspects of your website's design and structure. In the settings panel, you'll find a tab labeled Template. This tab groups all your site's layout and design elements in one place, keeping everything organized and easy to access. Within this template tab, look for the link called Revisions. Clicking on this link is the key step. It opens the full revision history of your website, showing a timeline of every change and update made over time. Here, you'll see a list of all saved versions of your content. Each revision represents a moment when your page or post was saved or updated. This is incredibly helpful if you ever make a mistake or change something you later regret. You can simply review the list, compare versions, and restore an earlier one if needed. The revision history gives you full visibility into how your content has evolved, whether you're fixing an issue, checking how a design element looked before, or undoing an accidental edit. This feature keeps your creative process safe and flexible. When you find the version you want to restore, simply select it, and WordPress will roll your content back to that earlier state. It's that easy. By enabling and using WordPress revisions, you're giving yourself a safety net for all your edits, ensuring that no update or experiment is ever truly lost. It's one of the most powerful features for maintaining control and confidence while building your website. And that's it. You now know how to enable and view your WordPress revision history to track, review, and restore your content whenever you need. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like the video, subscribe for more WordPress tips, and let me know in the comments what other tutorials you'd like to see next.